Hello, welcome back to another product review. Put this on the side. Buy on the side, meaning put it on the ground. Let's look at this product. Bovgero. What is that? Is that European? Is that Eastern European? What is that? What's going on? What's going on, Bovgero? Bovgero. Multi-tool knife, 16-in-1 pocket knife, black. You know what they say, the blacker the berry. What do they say? The blacker the berry, the blacker the berry. Let's look at this. Bovgero. Does it spin? Does it dance? Does it flip? Does it sing? Does it talk? Does it make a speech? And you should vote for me for president. And I will kiss your babies. Yeah. Look at that. That's why we should vote for him for president. He will kiss our babies. Bovgero. Look at this. It's black. That's the kind of black I like. Black. Looks nice. I bought this tool because I actually needed one of these. A multi-tool set. Let's see. Bovgero, let's see what you can do, my boy. Let's see. Look at this right here. Look at this. Bovgero. Look, you got a point already. Why would they even hate on you? Look at this. This is for the key. This is for the key. You can put your key here. Look at this. This video is not sponsored by these people, but I'm telling y'all. Look. Got the little screw. How do you call this? Corkscrew. Look at this. Dun, 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 dun. Look at this. This is some dangerous stuff. Be careful. What you got here? Look at this. Screwdriver. Look at this. You screw in there. Look. It's a pretty nice screwdriver. Look at that. It's not that bad. Put that in there. You got the... Okay. You got a knife. Is this a knife? Okay, I don't know what this is. And it's not that sharp. You got this thing right here. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put both of them up. They're hard to take out. You got this. This is for your nail. Look at this. You got something for your nail. I mean, look at my nail. My nail dirty, boy. I gotta clean my nail. Look at this. This isn't sharp, but it's a knife. Be careful with the knife. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Bovgero, you're doing it. All right, let me take this out. Oh. Take this out right now. Look at this. Yo, it's funny because I actually needed a bottle opener. And I was looking for one for a long time. Oh, no. I was trying to buy one. But for some reason, like, I didn't get the chance to buy it. And I bought this about 2 weeks ago. And I didn't even open the package until now. So I could do this product review. But it's good. See, this is why I actually bought this. Like, everyone should get a multi-tool thing. Because it's a multi-tool tool. It has a lot of tools in there. Look, another bottle opener. Or can opener. Well, no, bottle opener, not can opener. Okay, this is hard. Oh, look. Got a scissors in there. Oh, this is hard to take out. Look at that. Look at his scissors. Look. Yo, this is kind of nice, though. This is tough. Let's see if it works. Oh, look at that. It worked. It's nice. Put this in there. Let's see what this is. Oh, gosh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, why am I even surprised? I actually saw this on a video. This is actually one of the reasons why I bought this, because I don't ever remember actually seeing a multi-tool set like this with this many tools and this much variety of tools. Do you know what this is? This is a saw. That's what this is. Like they really got a miniature saw in here. Like this is a saw. What multi-tool do you know has a saw? Like, what are you? Yo, come on. This is a saw. Okay. And they got a knife here, of course. Of course, you got a knife. What you trying to do, huh? What you trying to do? Whoa, chill. Whoa, this isn't England. This isn't the United Kingdom. This is America. Or wherever I am. Where am I? Where am I, guys? Do you know where I am? The accent doesn't count. I could be anywhere. Is this another saw? Yeah, this is another saw, but it's got, look, it's got what's it called? It's like a measurement saw. All right, this tool got a lot of things in here. Let me see what this is. This is probably the scissors I took out, yeah. And then I took this saw out. This is nice. This is nice. This is good. This got everything. And it's small. Look how small this is. Like my hand isn't as big as LeBron James, but look at this. Look how small it is. Look. You could really grab this with your hand. You guys did good. Bovgero, you did good. You guys did good. I like this. No, like I kid you not, I really like this. This will definitely, this will come in handy. I like this. It's good. It's got a lot of tools in there. And the variety, also the variety is just, there are tools in there you just wouldn't expect that I know for sure people will need. Like people won't be like expecting to be in situations where, you know, that a saw will come in handy. And come on now, like like you're you're like in a situation, you're like, oh, what do I use? And then you remember you got a saw. You got a saw. You're like, oh man, what do I use? I'm in this situation. Oh wait, I got a saw. You got a saw in here. This is nice. You got a saw. You got another saw, but this other saw does the it's got the measurements on them. It's got measurements. Then you got a knife. That knife looks sharp too. Look at this. Look at this knife. This knife looks sharp. It's a sharp knife. Be careful. Be careful, muchacho. Be careful, Holmes. Some nice stuff. Amigo, watch out. Amigo. They don't play with you. They won't play with you with this. They won't play with you. I like this, Bovgero. You guys did good. I like this. All right. Thank you for watching. Thank you. For watching this product review video. Oh, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and go down to my comment section or my bio section and click on my other social media devices. Yippee! Peace.